Vice President of Villa Hospital Association. Tipano futhi angiweyo because bakujoyina strong strike. I'm not sure what they are, but I hear with us in solidarity. The message I have from one, we need your numbers to stay at home. Stop panicking about legal issues for that happen. For lawyers, so we all need to stay at home and to remain calm until our grievances are met. But my grievances come from me. We need you to tell us what you want. Our stance that was $1 $1. All our grievances, we told them last week that we had with the employer, with that type with the employer. The government said no, they don't have US dollars to give us. And actually don't. They said don't actually have the RTF to feed you again to pay right. So you guys must just go back to it, and that's impossible.